Every year, cars seem to become more and more high-tech. Most ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, have cameras that are attached to your windshield. If the windshield is replaced, your ADAS requires a calibration. Think of your windshield as a tool for your car's technology. The cameras that coordinate braking and provide lane departure warnings are attached to the windshield. When a windshield is replaced, camera angles can be affected. In order to head out on the road, it's best to verify they're all working properly and adjust the precise measurements. Tires, headlights, and brakes can also be affected by the alignment of these cameras. So if you happen to drive over a nail and replace your tire, you can throw off any ADAS calibration. If your windshield requires a replacement, find an auto glass that meets AGRSS standards. Unfortunately for all DIY buffs, ADAS calibration requires a professional. Special computers and trained technicians calibrate your ADAS, which is where your friendly neighborhood glass doctor comes in. We'll make sure all systems are a go before you head out on the road. Go online to glassdoctor.com to schedule an appointment.